Welcome to Has Academy channel. In today's video, we are going to have a fun-filled and wonderful quiz to find out how much do you choose to be healthy. Yes, are you really making the choice to be healthy every moment? Let us go into the quiz and see. It has only 10 questions and all you need to do is to choose among two options that you are getting. Are you ready for the quiz? Question number 1. Here is the two options. What do you choose? The next one. What do you choose here? 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 So did you find out your health score? Post it in the comment section below. And also let us know how much you enjoyed this quiz and how do you plan to make healthy choices after this. Also subscribe for our channel and please pass it to all people around you whom you wanted to make healthy and feel healthy. Wishing you happiness and success. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.